Christ, I thought you were up tree. I gotta hide behind your ass.
I'm using my favorite airsoft loadout in this video, my Kmcs ghillie suit and my upgraded HPA M4. The ghillie suit basically makes me invisible, while my M4 gives me the versatility for taking down enemies. I'm waiting for this player to get closer, but my teammate alerts him. He begins to use me as cover as enemy players shoot at him.
Watch out, there's a guy shooting at you.
Oh my God, hey, freaking see.
I don't want to get hit. There's two guys over there. Got him. So this shows you why having a ghillie suit and just standing out in the open, it's like the ultimate cheating thing to do. Because I'm just standing here. I'm just behind a log, but I'm bigger than the log. You guys got one guy still in the woods. Now let me show you why I'm going to die. Because I'm going to move up and get shot. Here come the BBs. Alright, moving up. Still moving up.
His BBs narrowly hit me, but the tree saves my life.
He's dead. Another guy. Woo! Shoot a spray of BBs at me. Come on. Uh-oh, I see you now. Okay, bye. Oh, another guy coming back. Are you in the game? I think you are, but you're not trying. You're pretending not to be.
I've been cautious about players like this ever since my last video. He ventures off the road and starts going into the trees.
So you are in the game. Well, hello there. Walk on the road then! We got two guys. I feel like they are in play. Okay. To the woods I go.
We gotta take the high ground.
Hello there.
You got him? All right, we're good, we're good.
We're good?
Yeah, I pushed him back.
Color? What color are you? Hey, coming up behind you.
Now that was a lot of damage.
Okay, hit. There's a guy in the woods coming up to where this...
The enemy team has pushed far into the city. Time to send them back.
Go on. Thank you. Like there's still another guy. So I gotta take this corner.
This teammate waited until his friend was taken out before he moved out of the way.
Go, walk. Walk, walk, go!
No medic rules means walk away immediately.
Dude, just keep going if you're hit.
What the hell is even that? Can you see?
Yeah. I got just a lens scan.
In the next game, we have to capture the hill.
Jesus Christ, I thought you were off straight. I gotta hide behind your ass.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did, and thanks for watching.